Dina Wong at Ivy Lacks na update. Kasama ang dalawa nanonood sa show. Tuloy-tuloy na talaga ang bonding ng mag-couple. Latest din na update ng kanilang Instagram account ay ang Unlock the True You. Eating a Rainbow Challenge for Pride. Panoorin natin ang kanilang photos. At habang nanonood tayo guys, pag-usapan natin yung mga comments na nasa baba. Ang dami naman talaga ang laging kinikilig pag makitang magkasama itong si Dina Wong at Ivy Lacks na. Sabi nga nila same humor daw ang mga ito. Napapansin din nila na blooming si Ivy. Sagot naman ng iba ay syempre nasa tamang tao siya. May isang komento din dito na mababasa tungkol sa mga bashers. Gemma's dog here are still afraid of Divy. It's not that obvious. Hey, I'm just telling the truth. Why can't Gemma be the topic that she's angry whenever her ex is doing? Meanwhile Wong and Ivy, especially Wong, never listened to her ex anyway. Ivy and Wong are professionals.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
Thank you for watching.